everyone, I want to show you how to reset your Maytag Bravo washer if it's not working right and yeah, you having problems out of it. This is how you reset it. Okay, you're gonna go, the normal is gonna be 1 o'clock. We're going to go to 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, back to 1 o'clock, back to 2 o'clock. See, all the lights are lit. If you get all lights lit, they're all lit, then you're going to go to 6 o'clock. And it should be just the rinse cycle on it. And when it's just the rinse cycle, it should start by itself and complete the cycles. And if it resets itself when the cycle is complete, it should have no lights on. But if it has a light on after it completes its cycle, that's the thing that's wrong with it. And then after you get to 6 o'clock, you're going to push start. And then it should do all of that, lock itself, and then start the cycle. But like I said, if it don't start the cycle, and you just have to do it again. See, it should start. See how it starts? If it's going to reset itself, it should just cut off all the lights out there. It runs every cycle. But if it does all the cycles and the light is still lit when it gets through, that's what's wrong with your washer. So I hope that helps someone, because like this will save you a lot of money. Like, you can go buy a new washing machine and it'll just need to be reset. So I hope everyone has a blessed day, and that is how you reset your Bravo Maytag washer.